Do you know the 5 most dangerous words in the world of investment? I will do it tomorrow. You have said it. You have felt it. You have postponed action, waiting for the perfect time. But here is what most beginners never realize. The greatest cost in investing is not loss. It is delay. Because the true engine of wealth, it is not your money, it is your time. And I remember in 2019, I opened a brokerage account. The shares I wanted were trading at 35. But I hesitated. I waited. I told myself, I will start later. Years passed. The same shares reached 80. You see, that difference is the price of hesitation. That is what waiting charges you. That is what tomorrow steals. Waiting is a decision, usually the wrong one. Perfect conditions never arrive. Time is the compounding agent you can't replace. And we see this principle in the book of Ecclesiastes, chapter number 11, verse number 4, where the Bible says, whoever watches the wind will not plant, and whoever looks at the clouds will not reap. It is easy to procrastinate when it comes to investing for the future. Many people are always waiting for the right time, right economic conditions, right income. So they will wait and invest then. But they end up not investing at all and end up suffering when they retire. You see, there is rarely perfect time to invest apart from today or yesterday. So be disciplined with yourself today for a better tomorrow. Do not procrastinate on investing. And you do that by starting taking serious steps towards your investment plans. If right now you are still waiting for the perfect time to invest, checking prices, watching charts, doing nothing, that delay, my friend, is costing you more than any market crash ever will. Because the true engine of wealth, it is not capital, it is time. So start investing right now. That is it. And remember, God doesn't judge you by how much you had, only what you did with it. And now you know the rules.